Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Core Web Vitals tracking with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Core Web Vitals tracking on your Shopify store, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section found in the left sidebar. Once in the Apps section, click on Visit Shopify App Store to open the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Google Analytics to find the app. Locate the Google Analytics app from the list and click on it. Install the app by clicking the Add App button. After installation, you will need to configure the app. Open the app from your Apps section. You may need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once signed in, create a new property in Google Analytics. Select the option for a web property. Enter your store's URL and follow the prompts to complete setup. Beneath the property settings, ensure that you enable Enhanced E-commerce Tracking. Take note of your Google Analytics tracking ID, as you will need it shortly. Return to your Shopify admin panel and go to Online Store in the left sidebar. Click on Preferences under the Online Store section. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. Paste your Google Analytics tracking ID into the designated field. Make sure to check the box for Use Enhanced E-commerce. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. To view Core Web Vitals data, navigate back to your Google Analytics account. Go to the Behavior section and click on Site Speed. Here you will find various metrics related to your website's performance. To focus specifically on Core Web Vitals, navigate to the Core Web Vitals report. You can then analyze metrics such as largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. Regularly check these metrics to identify areas for improvement in your store's performance. This will help enhance the user experience and optimize your Shopify store for better search rankings. And that's how you easily enable Core Web Vitals tracking in Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.